Good morning. My name is John Jairo Rivero Rodriguez. I am a student regency in pharmacy. My routine day is I always Geras in the morning, then a day tie shower. I put my uniform, then I the fray. I always brush my teeth. I use cereal leaf 6:15 the morning for my work. We never enter the work with my boss, my partner. In the afternoon, when early work, when early work, yo usually go home. Ahora voy a exponer la siguiente diapositiva. In der Magie, the two men are shades had one man Witcher traditional Middle Eastern cloth including work today I and hell covering figure. The over the man is present in a formal black suit with a white shirt and care. Opportunity of penalized final day.